Welcome to Nifty Notions from Sew Very Easy. My name is Laura, and there are two sewing notions that I like to have beside my sewing machine, and I want them to stay there and know where they are when I need them. So I have found a nifty notion to help me make that happen. The two tools that I'd be lost without is a pair of little thread snips and my stiletto. But placing them down here makes it very easy for them to get lost and misplaced. And it's easy for me to want to pick those up and bring them away from the machine. So I have found a great magnet. So we have a strong magnet on one side with the suction cup on the other. Now this has been designed for sewing machines, so it is safe for computerized machines. And that is a nice strong magnet. And I have it in a convenient spot for me on my sewing machine. This will stick on any surface as long as it is a smooth surface. So have that surface clean, and if you just dampen the little bit of that suction cup, it's going to stick right on. Now I can put my scissors and my stiletto right handy, and I know where they're going to be. And I don't have to put them in an exact spot. As long as they hit that magnet, I know they're going to stay. This is a very strong magnet, so it could hold small things, medium weight things, and it can even hold very heavy things. So depending on the setup that you like, you're going to be able to put whatever you need on that suction cup. If the surface is not very, very smooth, like some of these, they look smooth, but they do have a little bit of a texture to them. With the package, you get this little round sticker that you're going to be able to put on and then put that suction cup on. For example, I have one on the side of my machine. So I've put that little sticker first and then that magnet. Now as I'm stitching, if I have some loose pins, they're going to just stay there and they won't go on my surface. So there are many different areas that you can add them. They also work great on sergers. So for my serger, the best place for me would be on the side. It's a smooth surface, it's clean, and all I need to do is push that on. It can hold my tools like my tweezers, little snips, and I often like to have a very large darning needle to pull the threads into the seams, and that can stay. So depending on the machine you're going to use, you're going to be able to put these in different locations. They call them pin place or scissor spots. And they're made by Euro Notions. You can get them in a lot of different quilt and sewing stores, but I will put a link in the description so you can check them out. Having that convenience of that suction cup and that magnet means we can put them in many different places. We can even put them on our long arms and our sit-down quilt machines. They have definitely been designed for our sewing machines, but I'm sure there are a lot of other places we could think of using them. Because we have that suction cup on one side and the magnet on the other, we could put them in the kitchen and the bathroom. So if we have something that we use all the time that's metal, we're going to be able to just constantly put it there and we will know where it is. It's just another fun, nifty notion. Thank you for joining me today on Sew Very Easy. Feel free to subscribe, and as always, come on back. Let's see what we're talking about next time in the sewing room. Bye for now.